Hello everyone, videos a crazy bang of some unboxings. The first ones of the week. Not expecting too much this week. First I got one from Riffle Shuffle from Kickstarter. It is there's a sticker as well, Monkey King. It is the bicycle Monkey King. Looks fun, interesting. Then I got one from Dewey 11, which is mostly stuffing. Kind of ridiculous. Good lord. There's a deck in here somewhere. There's also some stickers. Or a sticker. Today's sticker. Looks pretty cool. There is the newest deck. There is the Provision, which looks very nice as well. And I got one from Murphy's Magic. And first of all, there's some decks. Let's see what we got. First of all, we got the Black Magic deck from Barkley, from Robert Tomlinson. We got the Gemini Casino in green. Play Dead, which they threw in there as a gift, so thank you. Thank you for that. We got the Surf, also from Riffle Shuffle, and in Kickstarter, the Aristo Steampunk deck. And there was one more thing here. It is a carrot case. 6-deck carrot case that they threw in there as a gift. I don't know if it's supposed to be a birthday gift or whatever, but it is my birthday, so it's sort of in time if that's the case. And thank you very much to them for throwing this in there. It's really cool. There it is. Incidentally, they could just put all these inside the case. And that's that. That's it for today. We'll see you next time with more. Hello everyone, videos a Freighty back with a couple more unboxings. I am still expecting at least one more tomorrow. First of all, I got one here from the new deck order. It is the second edition of this, whatever it's called. I forget what it's called now. Broken Borders, that's what it is. Interesting color scheme, thought I'd check it out. And then I got this one from Riffle Shuffle, and it is a couple of things here. So I guess, well, it's the snackers, and it looks like they sent an extra bag. That's cool. It's designed to look like a candy, a snack. I believe they actually have to tear it open. As a matter of it is a resealable bag. Inside, there is a couple of stickers and a deck. That's pretty cool. So that's it for today. We'll see you next time with more. Hello everyone, this is Freighty back with a couple more unboxings. I was only expecting the one. I had completely forgotten about the subtle one, but start off with this one. It's from NPC from their last project. Ooh, a lot of stuffing. And it is the Beta 1. Look forward to seeing how this one handles. It's supposed to be a new stock, I suppose, stock and finish. And then I got this one, which is from Diamond Jim Tyler. I pre-ordered it a while back. I'd forgotten about it. It's finally here. Ooh, there's actually an extra card too. Signed card, Diamond Jim Tyler. That's really cool. Thank you very much. And it is his new diamond deck. Look at that. Nice foil. It's actually, it looks like a texture. Yeah, it's like a leather type texture. On the tuckers, you can't really tell. And it says diamond on the other side. Reversible. Really cool. Rated by USB-C. and I will be checking that out soon. So that's it for this week. Out the knife. See you next time for more.